everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the second day of Ganesha festival and I am planning to make modak, the rice dumpling, sweet dumpling. We call it as Kolkata in Tamil. So I am going to make Naivedyam of sweet dumpling today. So let's get started. I will show you the entire method of how I am going to make modak today. So okay, let's get started. So for 1.5 glass of water, I am using 2 glass of rice flour for modak. So I have added 1 spoon of elaichi also along with this grated coconut. I mix both together very well. So I am just going to make a very simple modak. I have taken 1 cup of groundnut. I have just fried it for 10 minutes. I have taken the skin out and I have taken 1 cup of jaggery also. I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut. So all in the same measurement I have taken. So make sure that you fry groundnut very well and then you take the skin out and then you grind it. Don't grind it too powder, just make it coarsely, you just grind them. And now I have added coconut here. I am frying the coconut. Let's fry the coconut in a very low flame for 5 minutes. So now I am going to add 1 cup of jaggery also. I have just taken out all the dust from the jaggery. So here I have added the groundnut. I have just taken 1 cup of, as I told you, all are in the same measurement I have taken. So mix it very well. Let the jaggery, coconut, groundnut get boiled and come together. So now I have taken 1.5 glass of water here. I am boiling the water. So here I have added 1 to 2 spoon of ghee here. So in water I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee and little bit of salt. Let the water get boiled very well. I am going to use Anil rice flour here. I am going to use that brand. You can use any brand whichever you want to. And I have added that into this boiling water. Now I have off the gas. So mix it very well. Make it into a soft dough. Let me mix it very well with my hand. I've used 1 spoon of oil also and I've made a very soft dough here. So usually I use my hand to make modak, but today I'm using the mold because I got this mold free from that rice flour, Anil rice flour. So now I'm just showing it's very easy to make. You have just got to press it. Just keep 1 spoon of that sweet inside and then press it very well. So your modak is ready. You got to just steam it after this. So in idli pan I have just taken 2 glass of water here and I have just used some cotton cloth. You must use only cotton cloth. I have just wet the cotton cloth and I have just used it. I am going to keep all this modak there. I am going to steam it in a medium flame for 10 minutes. So I am just going to make 2 batches. So I have just kept first batch here. So it will take 10 minutes now. So this is the first round I have taken out. You can see it's come out really good. So I've just made a second round also that is happening. It will take another 5 minutes. So my second batch also is ready, second batch of modak. So let's start doing Naivedyam to God Ganesha now. So my elder daughter has made Ganesha today. So this is a new Ganesha. She has just made this evening. So for afternoon Naivedyam, I have just kept curd rice. I have not made anything else for afternoon Naivedyam. So modak is Ganesha's favorite dish and we must do that when we are having Ganesha at home, but I have not done it yesterday, so I have done today. I do it before leaving the Ganesha any of the days. I normally keep it for 3 days or 5 days, but this time I plan to keep only for 3 days. So I have done it on the second day and I've made an Naivedyam of this sweet dumpling and I've served it and my puja is done for this evening. So the modak had come out really well. It was very tasty. So you try this way. You have seen how I made modak today. It's very simple and easy to make, and this is one of the favorite dish of Lord Ganesha. We usually make during Ganesha festival and I have done it today. So this is how I celebrated my second day of Ganesha festival. So if you like my channel, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.